every one of you got a very good friend, right? Like someone you can really count on that will be loyal to you for the rest of your life. I came today to FameLab with 10 trillion friends, 1,000 the number of human beings on the planet, therefore much more numerous than all of your Facebook friendships. I'm talking about my bacteria, those tiny creatures you might all remember from high school or from some yogurt commercials. Even though they are the tiniest living creatures on this planet, we have an incredible relationship with them. In your gut, there are millions of different types of these bacteria, and if you take a journey inside there, you would see something very similar to a coral barrier. That it's a very active ecosystem that protects your intestine. Bacteria literally keeps you alive. They digest your food, they produce your vitamin, they dispose your waste, and they defend you against diseases. What is important to remember is that bacteria are good in the inside, but might also be not that good on the outside. Indeed, since we carry something good in, we have something very bad outside. The outside bacteria are those who try to burst into our body, and to do so, they use some harmful weapons to damage our intestines and to make us sick. So you might think that these two groups are very different and very distinct. They hang out with different people, they might listen to different kind of music and so on, but there is quite much that we don't really know about our good and friendly bacteria. So a recent groups has actually shown that as in real life, the line between what is good and what is evil is not really definedly a sharp cut. So good bacteria might be corrupted by the bad ones. In the intestine, once we experience an infection, the outsiders get in contact with the locals, they establish a short talks, and then they shake their hands. Doing so, they establish a physical channel through which they exchange the most important element in life, DNA. The DNA is a long molecule that contains information to create everything in nature. So scientists were really puzzled by that, and they took a closer look on that and realized that what was exchanging was DNA containing information to create weapons. Those weapons was bad bacteria use to damage you. So it's interesting to see how we do carry something good inside, but they might be corrupted from something that is on the outside. So we all still carry good bacteria in, but they are not as loyal as we used to think they are, and they all might carry a knife on the back. Thank you.